Today I got a notification on YouTube with a viewer question from this beautiful young lady who I'm not going to butcher her name. Can you also do a tutorial on how you did the Michelle sticker? The Michelle sticker that was in the stickers tutorial. You know me? Yes, I will. And here we go. Let's go make one. So the first thing we're going to need to do, if you already know how to do this part, you can skip to later if you just want to know like the design behind it. But we're going to create a mask. I know there's several things about masks out there, and I even have a video for it, but we'll do one anyway for people that don't know how to do a mask. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to change this background color to black. And then I'm going to go over and I'm going to get me some text. We'll add a heading. Let's do my name. I want them all in capital. So I'm going to go up here to the uppercase, make them all capital. And then I am going to do, I think I used this one for I used this one for the sticker, which is Alpha Slab 1. So I'm going to make a dual one just because I want to try this other font too. So let's duplicate this. And I want to try this other font I found earlier with it. So I'm going to do a little experiment with y'all too. I want to try this one too. So we're going to make like a dual mask with two different words on it. So you want to get it as big as possible when you go and create your mask. So I'm going to get my text very big here. And then I'm going to get my text very big here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to go up to File and I'm going to download this. I think if you have the Pro version, you can do this inside of Canva. Not sure, but if you don't if you're like me and use the free version, this is how you're gonna do it. So you're gonna download this, then you're gonna come over here. I use Remove BG, so I'm gonna upload it. Oh, it still got the little thing in the bottom here. Come on, baby, upload it. Come on, you can do it. Come on, come on, come on. There it goes. All right, so now I'm going to drag that up here and it's going to remove the background. Well, that's not what I want. So I'm going to go up here to edit. I'm going to go to erase and restore. I'm going to go to restore and I'm going to wipe all this and do this and restore it back to its full glory. Oh, I missed a spot. All right, so restore. Here, get over there. Get that. Come on. Come on, you can do it. There we go. Get it, get it, get it. Okay, now that it's back to its full glory, I want to go to erase. I'm going to make this smaller so it knows I'm talking about the white. So I want to erase the white. We're just going to do one Michelle at a time and see what it does. Oh, I gotta stop doing that. I don't want to copyright because I'm singing a song while I'm doing a tutorial. And I can't sing either, so y'all probably appreciate me not doing that. So we're going to go here and get all our white out. Take it out, take it out. Oh, make sure we get that corner. Will it get the corner? Yeah, I got that corner. So now that it's reversed, we have that. We're going to go and download this back, download the image. We're going to go back over to Canva. Let's just open up a new page. We are going to turn the page to white so we can see. I am going to go get my mask I just created. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to, if you know me, I'm going to use my black gradient rectangle right here, my black gradient rectangle. And what are you going to do is you're going to go into edit image. You're going to go into duotone. And this is how you're going to make the plaid. So you're just going to pick out colors. I'm going to get Mystic, apply, duplicate, let's see, duotone. Let's get some lavender, apply, duplicate. Let's get a violet, apply, apply, Duplicate. Let's see, where's my duotone go? There you go. Let's get let's see what else colors we got. Sea green. Let's get a sea green, which is kind of blue, but we'll take it. Um, Apply, duplicate, and you just get whatever colors you want. Like if you want to go in any of these other colors, go for it. You're going to mix up any colors that you really want to do. So let's get a blush and apply. So now that I have some colors, what I'm going to do is you're going to make whatever pattern you want to. So what I kind of did was I just kind of like threw them all up there any old kind of way. And it kind of looked like a plaid almost. So we're going to look, see, there's my mask, and that's what it looked like behind it. So I just took all those colors and I kind of platted them across the back side of it. And then what I did is I did the black on the barrier here so I could have that black all the way across, like so. And then what I did is if you have any like whiteness, let me get the other thing for you. Let's get the one that we just made. Let's go into uploads and get this mask. So see if you can see sort of kind of like this little outline right here. If you can see that, you can get rid of that if you don't want it. You'll just go into adjust and you take your brightness and get it all the way down. So that'll make that more hollow. Ooh, I do like that other Michelle in here. So let's do that one and see what that turns out looking like. So I want to make that big, 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 big. I'm going to go up right here and I'm going to make that there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my file. I am going to download this. Let's see, this is page. Let's do current page because I don't know what page it's on. It's got, I designed like 20 different things on one thing. So whatever you want to call it, page, design, whatever, it can get kind of crazy. So I'm going to download this. And then what I want to do now is I'm going to go back to my background remover. Let's get rid of these that I were doing earlier and wait for the little circle thing right here to disappear. And now I'm going to put it in my background remover. And now I should have that, but I want to get rid of that. I don't want that. So let's go and edit. Even if it's still in there, you can crop that out. It's no big deal, but we'll just go ahead and erase it. Erase. Burp. See you later going bye. Download. Download. Then we go back over to Canva. Add a page. Let's go. Let's see what I've been using recently. Let's see. Where's my favorite thing for this is what I like for stickers. I don't know. I think it really looks good with stickers is the concrete. So now that I have this back up, what I want to do now is I want to go into edit image. I want to go into my shadows. I want to go in glow. So always my first one, I'm going to do a black outline on. So I'm going to take the transparency all the way up. I'm going to take the blur all the way down because I want that outline. And then I'm going to apply. And then once that has applied, come on, glow, go away. Glow, glow, glow. I'm using the old editor. You have to use the old editor to do this. So I'm going to hit glow again. And what color do I want? I am going to go take my transparency this way and my blur this way. And I'm going to go color pick something out of my design over here. So let's get this pink. All right. And we want, that's a good size. We'll apply. We'll wait for the glow to disappear, for the lines in the glow to disappear. And then after that, come on, apply, disappear. All right, we're going to go in for round 3, and I'm going to do my white. So transparency up, blur down, white, size up. Ooh, I don't want it that big. I want it to look like a sticker, not crazy. Okay, and that's my sticker there. I'm going to apply apply, and then I'm going to wait, apply, and then I'm going to go into see all, and my favorite thing for a sticker is the curved effect, and I'm going to apply, and that would be a sticker. So there's my sticker for with using that font versus the other thing. But that's how I got the plaid looking in the back. So if you want to kind of like pause that and kind of look at that, but I was getting really sloppy on the other one, so I just showed you this one because they're straight to make it look like plaid, but all it is the duotone in that black gradient rectangle, and just changing the colors around it, making it look like plaid back there. And then you just put your mask over top of it. And then one good thing about mask is like even with a mask, you can go and change anything behind it. So if I go back here, let's see, I don't want to set it to the background though, but go here, go up here. Let's go into elements. Let's go photos. Photos. Let's see. Ooh, what does that look like behind there? Now I'm playing, so thank you for staying. If you, if you don't want to watch me play, but I'm going to play a minute. I'm going to play a minute. So I don't want that one. So let's go. Let's put the night sky back there. Position. Ooh, that looks really cool right there. The colors look really cool out of that, the reflection right there. So then I can take that and put that in my background remover and use that as a thing, or like that part. Ooh, there's Michelle up there, and then there's Michelle down there with the reflection, and there's the city. So like once you make a mask, you can go ahead and start using it for all kinds of stuff afterwards. You can take that and disappear. You can go and get the splash effect back here, and you can move that to the back like so. That's back there, and then you can put like a different kind of color or something. How about a gradient or something like that, and then kind of put that out there, and then you have your little splashy thing in your letters, or you can just make it to where that whole splash is in there, and then you're colored in that splash. So. And that's kind of cool too. So, I mean, once you make a mask, you can use it for all kinds of things. It's just up to you. Ooh, this one will probably be cool. Let's delete that. Oops, not that one. Let's delete this. Delete. Let's put this back here. I like the color in this one. Position. Let's put that there. So like something like that. So mask is good for all kinds of things. And I know I've babbled too far and we've gone too far in this, but thank you for your question, and I hope I answered it. And I know it was a little long-winded, and hopefully you fast-forwarded through the parts that you didn't need. So I appreciate the question, and I hope I answered it for you. And I hope you come back and watch some more of my videos. I'd greatly appreciate it. And I love all you guys, and I thank everybody for everything, each subscription, each like, each watch. I love you guys tremendously. You know me. Got any questions, leave it in the comments. If I can work it out, I'm going to work it out. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.